1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again, and this ride is to Lohgad Fort. It is situated near Lonavala, around 100 km from where I stay. Route is given in the description box down below. So let's start and hope you are going to enjoy this video. Right now we are ahead of Lonavala. The right is going to Pauna Lake and left is to Lohgad, and we are taking the left. And here we are reaching at our destination. Lohgad is one of the many hill forts of Maharashtra state in India, situated close to the hill station Lonavala and 52 km northwest of Pune. Lohgad rises to an elevation of 1033 meter above the sea level. The fort is connected to the neighboring Visapur fort by a small range. As you climb up, you find the majestic Pauna Lake behind, that is to the right, the village Lohgadwadi in the center, and the Visapur fort to the left. The steps were quite high in the terms of height, making it even tougher to climb. But soon, in 20 minutes or so, we were at the Ganesh Darwaja, the main entrance of the fort. Basically, this fort has 4 doors called Darwajas: Ganesh Darwaja, Nairan Darwaja, Hanuman Darwaja, and Maha Darwaja. The Ganesh Darwaja seems to having a full of sharp structure. These are tall doors, at least 10 feet in the height. Each Darwaja comes up as you climb up stairs, introducing you to a new section of the fort. And so guys, we have reached to the final Maha Darwaja, open up to the vast opening of a country yard. It is more like a peak of a mountain rather than a fort. It is a wide, huge, and houses a temple, a few ponds, and a dargah, and a famous Vinchugada. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you all in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe.